don't mind me and how I look. This is a long weekend, and a lot of people are going on road trips or having cookouts or doing this or that. I decided I'd have a pamper me weekend. If you ask my family, they would probably tell you that all my weekends are pamper me weekends. But I am just going to luxuriate myself. So this morning, after Sam and I did our little 5-mile walk, I came in and I sat in the tub for about 30 minutes, and then I washed my hair, and then I slathered my body with lotion and my face with moisturizer. I just, indulged. I am going to maybe do my nails today, my toenails maybe, or maybe just lay around. I bought a watermelon, so I'm going to eat probably a half a watermelon today. All my favorite things. So I don't know what you're doing for this long weekend. Let me know in the comments. And make sure you pamper yourself sometimes, and make sure you have some bliss, joy, and just be happy.